Hello everyone and welcome to this newer section in Power BI, section number 2, where we can see how to create basic charts in Power BI desktop. So this section will see how to create 6 charts in Power BI, 6 basic charts. And what are those charts? Let me show you here. We will see how to create a column chart, stacked column chart, a pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart and ribbon chart. These 6 charts we'll see. After creating those charts, now people might have a question here, is Power BI only a visualization tool? So the answer is no. Power BI is not only a visualization tool, but it can do much more beyond visualization. And what is that? You can also filter data from the visual, that is keep only and exclude. Along with that, you can export data from the visual itself. So suppose you have created some chart, you can filter data and convert into a CSV format, and that you can export into CSV. So these are some topics which you'll see in this particular section. So let us start practically in the next video.